Teachers, prepare your students for the pledge. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. As we begin another day, let us pause for a moment of silence. You may reflect, pray, meditate, or engage in any other silent activity. Hello Centennial, welcome back to the announcements. It's Monday and I hope you had a great weekend. I have a few things that I need to share with you in an effort to get you ready for the week. First up is about a couple of things that happen tomorrow. First up is that SADD, Students Against Destructive Decisions, meets tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock in room 111. So if you're a member of SADD, you'll be sure to attend that meeting tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock in room 111. Another meeting that happens tomorrow morning is NJHS, the National Junior Honor Society, meets tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock in the drama room. Another club meeting that happens tomorrow morning is Bible Study Club. They meet tomorrow morning in room 232 at 7:45 a.m. One more thing that happens tomorrow, but it's not just in the morning, that's picture retakes. So don't forget about your retaking of the pictures. If you want to pick up a form, you can pick those up in the front office. Maybe you didn't like your first pictures or you missed picture day the first time. You want to be sure and pick up one of those forms so that you can get your picture taken tomorrow during the day. We'll call you down when it's your turn for picture retakes. Maybe a morning meeting's not your style, then I have a couple of afternoon meetings. On Wednesday afternoon, you can attend the Games, Comics, Movies, and Trading Cards Club. That meeting happens in 204 right after school until about 4:20, 4:15 in the afternoon. And then on Thursday, you can attend a Tigers Challenge meeting in room 115. And that meeting lasts until about 4:15 or so. So you have those couple of options for afternoon meetings. Our Veterans Day Assembly is this Friday, and one of the things we're doing on Friday is we're kind of switching things up on you. So on Friday, we'll actually start our day in third hour. So when the 8:30 bell rings, the tardy bell rings, you're to be in third hour, and then you'll go to second hour. And then from second hour, you'll be dismissed to the assembly. Once the Veterans Day program or Veterans Day Assembly is over, then you'll either go to first hour or fourth hour, depending on when that ends or that concludes. But I just want to let you know that we're doing a Veterans Day Assembly on Friday. It starts at 10 o'clock, so that means you'll go to the third hour, your second hour, and then to the assembly. And from there, we'll give you directions on what class to report to next. So look for that change in schedule coming this Friday. 6th grade students, this next announcement is for you. If you're interested in joining or being a part of student council, then applications are available in Ms. Zuvanich's room 104. And those applications have to be returned in by this Friday. So you want to be sure and pick up those applications today so you have plenty of time to fill them out and turn them in this Friday, November 10th. 1 week from today, we'll be having a food drive for Broken Arrow Neighbors, sponsored by NJHS and Student Council. It'll take place all next week, and it'll be between first hour classes. For each item bought, the first hour will receive a point. In the top 3-point earning classes, we'll get to have a movie and snack day in their first hour class as a reward for doing so well. Items will be collected and tallied by Student Council and NJHS, and you'll take those donated items to your first hour in an effort to help them win. Now here's something that's really helpful. If you want to bring a frozen turkey, it's worth 100 points. That's right, 100 points, and those will be stored here in our freezer in the cafeteria. And it's a great way to boost points for your first hour. If you bring those to school, then you want to take them to Miss Zuvanich in room 104, and she'll collect all the frozen turkeys and then take them to the cafeteria that's there. You can bring them anytime during the week, and look forward to that competition next week between first hour classes. Here's a last-second addition to the announcements. Attention TSA members, remember to meet Miss Bolding at 6 a.m. tomorrow. That's right, tomorrow morning, November 7th, by the flagpole for the Fall Leadership Conference. That's for our TSA members, 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Well, that's all we have for today, Centennial. Hope you have a great Monday, and really, I hope you have a terrific week. And we'll see you back here tomorrow on the announcements.